Hey fellow riders, today I'll show you how to add a ram ball to your FJR1300 fork stem, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. So to add a ram ball to the FJR1300 fork stem, here's all you'll need. A 36mm socket, the Techmount Stem Mount kit for the FJR1300, a 1-inch ram ball with a 1/4-inch 20 male thread, some blue Loctite, and a torque wrench. Now let's get started. This is actually a fairly simple procedure and the video is going to be relatively quick. First, remove the top of the Techmount Stem Mount by removing the hex bolt and lifting the piece off. Then remove the center piece by removing the hex bolt right in the center here and pulling this piece off. Now loosen the stock nut by using the 36mm socket, and then remove by hand. Replace the stock nut with the Techmount nut. Screw in by hand, and then once hand tight, torque it to 85 foot-pounds. Put Loctite on the ram ball threads, wipe off any excess, and then screw it in. And there you have it, a ram ball for GPS, radar, or your phone right front and center on the FJR1300. I hope that helped, and if it did, if you'd please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe today so you don't miss a thing. Well, that's it for today. Now let's go explore.